Electrical energy has become a vital resource for our activities. Placed at the heart of the network, the electrical cabinet distributes this energy. Its equipment malfunctions, resulting in random breakdowns, downtime, and potentially serious damage. ePredict is a pure concentrate of technology, communicating object, equipped with several sensors, artificial intelligence, and algorithms. Installed on top of the electrical cabinet, it continuously analyzes its environment in real time. When defaults occur, the cabinet's equipment undergoes an intense temperature rise, releasing gases and microparticles. ePredict detects them and recognizes the physico-chemical combinations that characterize future defaults and incidents. It anticipates them and warns you of risks in real time, and up to several days before the first damage occurs. With ePredict technology, you can intervene well before humanly perceptible damage, before potential breakdowns or fires. Your maintenance is predictive, optimized, and rationalized. You preserve your business continuity and protect your installations, people, and environment 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, in real time.